Yes, sir. We are back. Your boy, Boss Up with K. You know where I teach you how to get those passive income, those driving gig apps, those partnerships with these large corporations, anything to help you level up out the 9 to 5 rat race. You know we about that. And I'm back as promised with to one of my loyal subscribers. He's been, commenting and asking me questions from day one since I started this channel. I can't pronounce your name, but Chicagoland area. Every time I have a video, he always asks me if it's available in Chicago and Illinois area. So I'm dropping a whole video just for you, my guy. Top 8 companies to work for in the Illinois area. Top 8 companies to partner with in Chicagoland area. Let's get into it. So, top one, the best of them all, the one that's all over the country, the one that's pretty much paying the most, well, not the most, but paying pretty high salary to anybody, any state. American Expediting. I partner with them down here in the Atlanta area. They keep me busy, different type of runs, dedicated routes, expedited routes, just, overnight pickup routes, anything they got. American Expedite has it, and they're ready to get you rolling. Just come here, independent contractors needed. I've covered this on a couple of other videos I did for Florida, for New York. So these companies, like I said, are everywhere. They're paying top rate for vans and box trucks, weekly payout. Sometimes they pay, next day I've been paid out for some jobs. Like I said, Illinois area. Let's find the Illinois office, Chicago. So let's go down here to Chicago. Call that number or hit there to fill out the application. Email, like I said, if you really want these, partner with these companies, if you really want these jobs, you got to go over and above what everybody else is doing. Just don't send an email. Just don't apply online. Apply online, send the email, and pull up on them and call. Just, you got to bug them sometimes until they say, hey, start calling me. We'll let you know, when something's available. But if you really want to work, sometimes drive the call out last minute. They may need somebody. So stay in these people's ears, keep calling them, keep emailing them until you get into the place where they're calling you first for these jobs. All right, next we got Express. Now, Express is everywhere as well. They have places, like I said, all over the country. You can see here's one in Forest Park. There's another one on demand delivery, Wilmington, Jacksonville, Minnesota. Here's the Chicago office. Like I said, this is Chicago video. So if they don't have anything right now for Chicago, you're just gonna send them an email, send them a message, give them a phone call. But they are hiring throughout the country. You might have to go to a city over, but Express covers Chicago, Naperville, Gillette, Rockford, Springfield, the whole Chicagoland area. So that's the deal with them. Let's see if we can find. Everything Chicago right now, but it's the season you want to get on their waiting list. You see they got some in Minnesota, so you might can roll up that way to get some work. But the holidays are coming. They're going to be very busy, so go ahead and get on their list now. Go ahead and apply with them now. Get on their driver's list, and then the next month you'll have plenty of work, trust me. All right, next, moving right along. Priority Courier Experts. So, not only do I show you the website, I show you the email address, as well as I show you how to apply. So most of these websites, you just go to, recruiting or independent contractor or drive now, drive with priority, partner with priority, employment, join the team. So they got a lot of ways you can join with them. You can either drive their vehicle or you can drive your own vehicle. So if you lease the vehicle, you can make up to $82,000 a year in a Sprinter, in a small van, and the larger vendor van almost $100,000 a year. If you drive your own vehicle, you should be making a lot more if you're driving your own vehicle, but you got to take into account of insurance, car note, maintenance, things of that nature. So driving their vehicle versus driving your own vehicle got their pros and cons. Definitely, if they're paying, 112 a year, drive their own Sprinter van, they need to be paying you at least 125 a year. So, you got your name, must be 21 years or older, have a driver's license, wants to drive your own vehicle, you tell them what kind of vehicle you want, submit. And then once you submit it, like I said, you just don't stop there. You're going to call this number, as well as going to find the email address and get in contact with them that way as well. But they got plenty of driving opportunities. You can work in the customer service, but we're here to get these driving gigs. So like I said, you can lease or drive your own vehicle with this company. So for you guys who don't have your own car right now, you can lease a small little sedan, a box truck. You got your CDL. You can get a tractor trailer, make the big bucks. All right. That's Priority Courier Experts. Of course, the link to this website is going to be down below. Final mile gets the smile. Final mile gets the smile. TForce, TForce is another big one, just like Express and American Expediting. I cover them on almost every state video I do. As you see, they're right there in Southern Illinois and up in Chicago area. If you want to get on with them, you just go here. Where is it? Yep. Opportunities. And then you can see all the opportunities. Let's see if they got anything in Illinois right now. There's some in Elk Grove. Not sure how far that is from Chicago area, but they do have some courier jobs in the Elk Grove and Evansville, Indiana area. So definitely check out TForce. I'm not sure how much they're paying for their routes. They definitely vary depending on what you're driving. But contact them once you apply online, give them a call, send them an email, get in the ear, bug them until you get hired. Chicago Messenger Service. Needed Now Deliveries. Needed Now Deliveries, another big company. They're all over the country. They have smaller branches in each state, like Chicago area. So if you want driving for Chicago Messengers, come down to the bottom of the home screen, click Drive for Us, and then you can kind of get your information on in there. They want their drivers to be 21 or older. You can be driving anything, box truck, cargo van, car, SUV, clean background, clean vehicle insurance, clean NVR. They don't say what type of insurance you need, if it's the 100,000, 300,000. Pretty sure they'll let you know. Don't ask me, contact the company. I don't drive for Deliver It Now, but I've heard good things about them and I've seen them around a lot. So they must be a reputable company. Only ones I drove for were American Expediting and Express. So I can tell you about them. But these other ones, I have only just done research and spoke with other people in those states who've driven for them. Next, we got Deliver Authority. Link for this one will be down below. Inquiry about delivery opportunities. So they're hiring in the Chicago area. They drive for Fortune 500 companies. Types of vehicles they use, not found or whatever. Inquire about driver opportunities. So here you fill out this small form. Put your company name, email address, and then they'll get back with you. Usually it takes a while. So after you send that form in, I will call this office number, say, hey, Let me speak to the person that's in charge of hiring or making the hiring decisions, HR department. Hey, just want to call and say, did you guys get my resume or get my application? Really eager to start. Hey, you guys have anything starting this week? Anything I need to get in, start with you guys quickly? What type of vehicles you guys looking for? Just want to call and inquire, make it seem like you're very eager to work, you're very interested to work. Let them know that you have experience, even if you delivered a pizza, picked up somebody for Uber, did DoorDash, all that is courier experience. If somebody left something at your house, you had to bring it back to them. That's courier experience. Let them know that you like to be your own boss. You know, we about that on that channel. So go ahead, try the delivery authority and get on with them. All right, we lumb them down. Got two more to go, guys. We're going to push through this. Quick Delivery Service, Inc. They're hiring. Run with the rabbits. So once you come to their page, you go to join their team. And you see they drivers must be 23 years of older, clean NVR. And you just come down here, fill out this application. You get a 401k, full benefits. Ew. All right. They got drivers, truck drivers, non-truck, part-time, full-time. As a driver, what kind of car will you be using? Minivan, Sprinter van, car. So they're looking for all size vehicles, 23 years older, required by our insurance. So because insurance reasons, a lot of these companies are moving up to 23. Most I see 21, some 18s, but now I'm seeing 23 years of older for insurance purposes. And then, you know, some other backgrounds, some things of that nature. Any skills you have, like I said, don't leave that blank. Even if you've done DoorDash, the smallest delivery, put that down there. Sell yourself when you're filling out these applications. All right, and last but not least, we got United Delivery Service. They have career opportunities. Once you come to their homepage, go to contact us, or you can come down to the bottom. Career opportunities. Once you come here, it comes to this page where you can fill out your name, email address, phone number, what type you're looking for, driver, of course, what area, Chicago. You got the whole Midwest, Fort Wayne, Indianapolis, Milwaukee, Madison. So they cover the whole, you know, North Midwest area, with Chicago is one of the main hubs. All right, guys. All right. So that is the top 8 at 8 Chicagoland, Illinois, state of Illinois courier companies you guys can partner with or work for. If you are still sticking around to this end of this video, I want to invite you to hop on over to my other YouTube channel at Credit K Crypto and Finance, where I talk about business credit and personal credit, how I actually built my business credit up to actually purchase a cargo van in my business name only, no PG, no down payment, no social security number given to them, no credit check, only on my business side that they ran my business credit information through Forward. Also got a car through ally.com, Ally Financial. So those are two commercial banks that you can finance through. So hop on up to that channel, learn all about that. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Credit K. Boy, at Credit K, always talking these credit gems, business gems. You got any questions about getting these driving jobs, contractor jobs, what type of vehicle you may need, hit me up on there. Follow me at Credit K. Answer your questions. A couple of guys hit me up already. I done a video for them, answer their questions, man. I ain't stingy with the information. I'm giving out the sauce, but I also do a consultation, $50 consultation, just for business inquiries. If you got any business questions or short credit questions, hit me up on that business consultation. Also have a business credit mentorship where I hold your hand through the same process I did to get approved and get over $250,000 worth of business credit cards for my businesses. I walk you through the same processes. It takes about 6 months to get to where I am. Some people do it a little bit shorter, but to get that full, quarter to $500,000 in business credit, it's gonna take a little time, but we're gonna get there. Very affordable mentorship, under $500. So hit me up if you're interested. Hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, share this out to all your Chicagoland buddies. Let's help everybody get to work. And like I said, I got all the states I'm going to do. So stay tuned. If you don't see your state listed so far, leave a comment down below. Let me know what state or area you want me to review, and I'll cover it. All right. Later.